Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Sampathkumar. I'm a design and manufacturing professional. Around 7 years of experience over the automotive, aerospace and industrial products, fluid machinery industries. My introduction to Six Sigma and quality methods began pretty early. My first job I had an introduction to defects per thousand, first pass yield and similar metrics when I worked on a production job. And in this area I also learned about the 7QC tools. So I learned about how to analyze data at a basic level. On my second job I was a design engineer, and here I was working primarily with the aerospace design clients, and the initial work was conceptual design with a multidisciplinary approach. So we'd look at different aspects of aircraft performance and structures and come up with a good design. This gave me a footing in tools like DFMEA and other methods of analyzing markets and determining what the client expectations are in case of different products. Subsequently, my work with two Fortune 500 corporations involved improving manufacturing and engineering processes. At these Fortune 500 companies, I was working in engineering and manufacturing process improvement projects. And on one of the process improvement projects for manufacturing, we used the line balancing tools to improve the cycle time of the entire product. And we also used Poka-yoke methods in eliminating non-value added time in many of the jigs and fixtures related assembly processes. In the design arena, basically we've used engineering lean principles to improve the cycle time of value stream based companies. There was this particular client that I was working with in which there were different value streams catering to different product lines. And in these different product lines, you'd have the engineering 1 phase, the preliminary engineering phase, and you'd have the engineering 2, which is the detail engineering phase. And in these two different phases, the content of work was differing based on the information that was coming from the client. So in our lean focused projects, we tried to eliminate non-value added time by looking at the inputs that were coming to these teams and trying to optimize the inputs so that the best process possible was implemented in the E1 and E2 phases. Now, in a similar effort for engineering lean for product development, we helped improve product configurators. Product configurators are basically pieces of software that you can use to automatically create bills of materials for configured products. For many companies building products on a mass scale, this is very important. And in the engineering lean area, this is an area that's gaining ground. Product configurators are becoming more and more important. So we optimize a product configurator to reduce the number of errors in bills of materials which are created automatically. And this really helped reduce the cycle time. In one case, in one particular product, it helped reduce the cycle time for creating a bill of materials from 22 hours to like a few seconds for creating bills of materials. So it was a significant improvement for the team and a significant cost saving and manpower saving. It wasn't until I joined Benchmark Six Sigma's Greenbelt training program that I realized the power of the DMAIC approach. Before, I used to know about the DMAIC approach, but not as rigorously applied to different organizations. Here I got a chance to meet people from different industries, and I got to learn a lot about the different tools and techniques used in the measure and analyze phases, which were very critical for turning out a good project. Continuing this journey into the black belt program at Benchmark, I realized the power of advanced methods like design of experiments and some of the advanced hypothesis testing methodologies. All this made me realize that Six Sigma itself is a methodology that can be applied to industries very successfully, and that there are a lot of opportunities for improving processes in different industries. I hope to continue my journey forward by doing research in one or two areas of product design and engineering, and probably also manufacturing engineering. Some of the aspects that I'm looking at in this endeavor would be the use of robust design optimization algorithms for improving manufacturing and design processes and methods. And I'm also looking at how I can continue this journey in Six Sigma forward with a master black belt. This will give me the confidence to apply the tools and techniques that are in the Six Sigma BOK, and hopefully apply that to successful projects in industries everywhere. I want to thank Benchmark Six Sigma for the great training. They have a really good team that is a very knowledgeable team with experience in different areas, and the experience overall has been fantastic. We've got some very lucid course notes, we've got very good instructors, we've got a very good peer group that's chosen according to industry. So all these make the program stand out. That's a little about me and what I plan to do and why I came to Benchmark. Thank you.